Hello beauties, welcome again to Wendy Styles. A beautiful day to my returning subscribers and to my new subscribers. Welcome to Wendy Styles. Today we have the short natural hairstyles for black women. These are styles that will really boost your confidence. These are styles that will empower beautiful black women and make them have self-love for themselves. One thing I love about this style is that it's a style that will help you to acknowledge the courage like it takes to do those big job, because many women develop some damaged hair. It's because of the much chemicals used on their hair. So due to that damaged ends, it makes women to feel that they are not as beautiful as they are, and it makes them lose that confidence they have in themselves. So today, this hairstyle today will help you to really embrace your true texture, like making you to emphasize that beauty that begins with authenticity. So I will encourage you, please, to just watch this video to the end. You're not going to regret watching this video. And these styles today are a style that will really crown your face, and a style that will help you celebrate the simplicity and boldness of your natural hair. So you can see how this style really frames the face of this beautiful woman, and it really showcases her natural beauty. So have in mind that confidence is really what makes the style really unforgettable, not even the length. So it's just the way you carry your hair, it's just the way you showcase it, and